Printing technology. Inkjet. Compatible with Workforce Pro WF-4720 DWF, WF-4725 DWF, WF-4730 DTWF, WF-4740 DTWF. Product type. Ink maintenance box. The T6715 ink maintenance box stores ink that gets flushed from the system during printhead cleaning. Your printer and its software will let you know when the maintenance box needs to be replaced. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. Make sure to check this corresponds to your printer model number. I had a very hard time finding this to order online, and was grateful to see it on Amazon. The installation takes approximately 5 seconds. If you need instructions, they can be easily found on the Epson website. It works on Epson WF-4740. Delivery was great, install was simple, and we were back up and running. Happy. This guy was able to get my Epson 4730 up and running again. It arrived early. Works well. There were no complications. Just plugged it in and it works.